Hello guys, welcome back to Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an arbitrage opportunity, that is buying a cryptocurrency on a particular exchange on a low price and selling it on another exchange on a high price. So this video is not one of the video you have been watching, because this video I'm showing you guys is a paid information, a paid knowledge that I'm giving out for free in this particular YouTube channel. So do well to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop content on my channel, and also share my videos as well. And so I have other contents related to crypto in my channel. I'm also going to be leaving the links down the description below, and also I'm going to be leaving it as a card at the top of the video. You're going to see there, and even at the end of the video. So I'm going to encourage you guys to watch this particular video from beginning to the end in order not to miss steps I'm going to be showing you. This particular steps and strategy looks simple but is technical, so not to make mistake, just key into this very video from beginning to the end in order not to make mistake when trying this out. Okay, and so this is not a financial advice. Do your research well before you take this step on how to trade and make money from the arbitrage opportunities. All right, so now I purchased at this particular price, and once I purchase this particular token called the TPT at this particular price, it's going to be giving me about this 1000 worth of the TPT. So if I copy this price right now, go selling it on another exchange, I'm going to be getting this exact price. All right, I'm going to be getting this exact price right here, and I will be making extra $11.50, right? So that is what I'll be making, and the beauty of it is that I can do this repeatedly, not just once, not twice, countless time. Okay, and that's how I'll continue making this profits randomly, in a circle form, triangular. You go triangular on this particular strategy, this arbitrage strategy. You all might have heard about the triangular strategy, right? But there are ways to do it. Not every triangular strategy or opportunity you see you partake in. There are factors that will lead to the success of this particular arbitrage. So now that I've seen the profit I'm going to be making, what next do I look out for? First of all, I am going to be looking out for the network that this particular token is going to be using, and where that's the particular blockchain network they are going to be charging me fees from. So I'm going to be checking that. So to check that, all you have to do is just come to the with deposit section, and that's how you are going to be knowing the particular. You click on chain. That's how you are going to be knowing the particular network for that particular cryptocurrency, right? So I'll tell you guys, stay away from cryptocurrency that has the ETH network, because there we charge you a lot of fee, and that fee, man, sometimes hits up your profit. You might not even make anything, so stay out from that. Right now you can see that this particular token is using BSC chain network. Perfect. That is the best I could recommend for anyone. Other network is there, one like Solana and also one like Polygon. They are cool as well. Even Base is cool as well. If you see one that is built in Base that trades on Base network, trade that, take that arbitrage opportunity. So now after confirming this, I'll also do the same in the other exchange, because sometimes exchanges they accept different network for same token. So you have to be confirming to make sure that that particular two exchange you are using accept the same network, so that you can be able to send that money to the other one. So I also do that same thing. If I come here, you also do the same thing by going to the withdrawal section and checking if you can transact and send this particular coin. So now if I come here, I'll check on that particular token called the TTP. Then I check to see if they accept the BSC is here too. So perfect, we are good to go. So one thing again is this: once after getting this, one thing you need to know that not every token, like there are some token you notice you find an arbitrage opportunity in it, then trying to send it to that particular token or withdrawing it becomes a problem. Now I'm going to be showing you how possible is that and how it works. So now this is it. This is a TTP right here. Now this is a place where we are going to be buying this TTP. If we buy here right now, if we buy here at this particular point, then we are going to be sending it to another exchange, right? So now if you buy, then you are going to be making withdrawal. So we have already checked the withdrawal side, and the withdrawal is not suspended, right? The withdrawal is okay. We can push this money to other exchange. Now coming to the place where we are going to be selling, you are going to be checking for the deposit to make sure that this particular token is not suspended for deposit. Okay, now we click on the TPT right here. We click on it, then we click on it. Then you can see that this particular exchange is on for deposit, right? Yes, it's on for deposit. It's not suspended. There are lots of opportunities I've seen, but trying to trade it, I'll discover that this particular exchange is suspended. I mean, they suspended the token from withdraw or deposit, and then that's the end of that particular arbitrage for that moment. There are cryptocurrencies whereby exchange, they accept different network. Let's say for now that you are seeing TTP here, TTP might be accepting only BSC for the network exchange, I mean network blockchain network, and the other exchange will be accepting, let's say, Ethereum network for the TPT. In that kind of case, just forget about that particular arbitrage trading, because it's not going to work, because there's no way you can bridge the network between exchange and exchange. Okay, so that's how you are going to be getting it done. I know you want to know the exchange. Now if you want to know this particular exchange, there's a video I uploaded, my first arbitrage video I uploaded. I'm also going to be attaching the link in the description below if you want to know the exchange I use in running this arbitrage trading. Then you have to go watch that particular video from beginning to end, and also learn how I spot these opportunities. Okay, yes, that's how you are going to be getting it done. You can see the price is still remaining at this price, and one thing I will tell you guys is that you have to be fast as possible, because this price changes. Right now you can see the price is still floating. Okay, the price is still at this 0.008. Let's say in about 10 minutes this price will change, and maybe at the cost of changing, it will now lap with this particular one right here. So if we refresh right now, you will see that the price still remains 0.0078. So anything you are doing, you have to be fast about it. Don't even delay at all on it. Once you buy, send it to the other exchange, sell it up, and if the opportunity is still there again, repeat the same step, and that's how you make the money. This doesn't last, so it's just for a period of time, and I will recommend you stay out from exchanges, I mean blockchain network like Ethereum, because they will eat up your profits with so much fee that they charge for transactions. Okay, so that brings us to the very end of this video. So if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post content, and also share my video as well. All right, see you guys in another video, and thanks for watching. Bye.